Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Squarespace templates. Squarespace offers a powerful and intuitive platform for building stunning websites. Templates serve as your starting point, providing a pre-designed structure and style. You have the flexibility to either personalize an existing template to match your brand or embark on creating a completely new design from the ground up, allowing for extensive customization and unique expression. Understanding the core structure is crucial for effective template creation. Squarespace templates are fundamentally composed of three key elements: HTML for content, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. The platform utilizes a versatile block-based editor, allowing you to arrange content easily. Important files like site, region, and template. Conf define the overall layout and configuration of your template, providing a solid foundation for your design. Customizing your template's appearance is straightforward and accessible. The built-in style editor allows you to visually modify elements like fonts, colors, and spacing across your entire site with ease. For more specific design needs, you can inject custom CSS to achieve precise styling that goes beyond the default options. Additionally, you can easily adjust section layouts and content blocks to create unique and engaging page designs that truly reflect your vision and brand identity. For advanced customization, Squarespace offers powerful tools and resources. Enabling developer mode grants you full access to your template's underlying HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, providing complete control. This allows you to inject custom code for unique functionalities or seamlessly integrate third-party services. The Squarespace developer platform provides comprehensive documentation and support for those looking to build highly customized sites or even create bespoke templates from scratch, pushing the boundaries of design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.